They said tropical storm watch.
Is in effect for the following counties. In Florida, Inland, Flagler, and Putnam. Gulf Stream hazards, none.
The notification said tropical storm watch.
Stream based on the real-time ocean forecast system as of Wednesday, July 29th. 41 nautical miles east of Ponce Inlet.
And yes, I moved my recom over here.
22 nautical miles east.
Jeez, the notification said tropical storm watch until further notice, not warning. I was expecting this light. I was expecting the orange one. Screw you.